Understanding Mobile Banking, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore an important and modern topic, mobile banking. In our daily lives, banking has become more accessible and convenient, thanks to technology. Let's dive into what mobile banking is and how it works. Remember, if you have questions or need clarification, feel free to ask in the comments below. Mobile banking refers to the act of doing financial transactions using your mobile device, such as a smartphone or tablet. This technology allows you to manage your bank accounts, make payments, transfer money, and even deposit checks without visiting a bank. It's a convenient way to handle your finances on the go. Most banks offer a mobile app, which is a special program you download to your device to access these services. To start using mobile banking, you'll need to 1. Download your bank's mobile app from the App Store or Google Play Store. 2. Create an account or log in if you already have one. 3. Follow the setup instructions provided by the app, which usually include creating a secure password and linking your bank accounts. Remember, safety is key, so ensure your password is strong and unique. Mobile banking apps typically offer a range of features: checking your balance, see how much money you have in your account at any time; transferring money, send money to others or between your own accounts; paying bills, set up payments for utilities, rent, or other services; depositing checks, use your phone's camera to deposit checks remotely; finding ATMs, locate nearby ATMs where you can withdraw cash. Security is a major aspect of mobile banking. To keep your information safe, banks use encryption. This turns your personal data into a code to prevent unauthorized access. Two-factor authentication. This requires two forms of identification before you can access your account, often a password and a code sent to your phone. It's also important to keep your phone secure and to log out of the app when you're finished. We hope this video helps you understand mobile banking and how it can make managing your finances easier and more efficient. It's a powerful tool that brings the bank to your fingertips. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more English learning content. See you in the next video.